Hello and welcome to this video on the DVANA Workstream productivity system. In this video, I'll show you how to view a client's documents. As I usually do, I'm going to start with the app already signed in. As you can see, this is what the client document app looks like when you first sign in. We need to change our view from filing to view documents. It's the I icon. As you can see, all we need to do is enter the client code or client's name into the box. Then pick from the list. Now, press the View Documents button. That's it. Job done. We now have a list of all the documents for DVANA filed this year. Double-clicking on any document will open it for review. Clicking the file icon at the top will also open it for review, like so. We don't need it anymore, so we can close it now. Clicking on the folder icon will open the associated folder. See how the folder opens in File Explorer? We can close that now. To start a new search, press the I icon again. Once again, I'm using DVANA. For this search, I only want to see documents filed this month. To do that, I'm going to change the start date. Press the calendar icon for the start date line. Then move through the months until we get to May. Then choose the first. That locks in the beginning of this month. Now press the View Documents button. This shows us all the documents filed this month, making it much easier to find the one that we want. Going back to the beginning again. With the two calendar icons, I can change the start and end date to anything I want. Previous years, last month, or anything I like or need. This easy control over the start and end dates gives you control over the size of the list. Longer lists means it is harder to find the document you're looking for, so you should use your judgment. It's quicker to see all the files in the current year, but if you file lots of documents, then this list might be very long. In this case, you should use the dates to make the list shorter and therefore you more productive. That's all you need to know about viewing documents. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video useful. We have videos on a range of topics, all to help you be more productive. That's us finished for now. Until next time, take care.